Hello dear friends, let us start with a simple practical of AutoCAD. This practical is based on a simple command which is an offset, which we have already done in our previous lectures. Offset is nothing, it is copying a line at a particular distance. So for example, if I have to make this part 70, so I will make a vertical line and I will give an offset of 70, enter from this point to this point. So this distance, if you measure, it will be 70. So we will be doing this practical. So let us start how to do this practical. So first step is to go in the layers, and we will be making a 2 layers, that is LA, enter, and we will be making a layer new number 1 for the drawing. You can give one layer, let us say that this you want to give it white, it is fine, and again one more layer for the dimensions. I will give yellow, okay. So now since you have set the layer, now we can make this drawing. So let us start this drawing. So I will go to my ribbon panel and I will open here my drawing layer. The first step is that I will start from this point. So I am just making a random vertical line. From this point to this point I will go, which is 70. So I will give offset 70 from here to here, and now I am going to close this line, L, enter. So now I have made a horizontal line, that is this. So always remember, to make a horizontal line you have to give a offset of a vertical line. Now from this point to this point it is 60. So I will give offset of 60. I will reach at this point. Now there is no line going from this point, so I can trim that, TR, enter. I do not want this line and this line. So I have reached to this junction, which is 60 by 70. Now from this middle point of the line I am going to make this circle of radius 20. So I will go to the command C, enter, center point from this middle point, and here he is asking me the radius, which I will give 20. Again I will go to the next command, again circle, and I will make another circle of radius 35. So C, enter, from this point with radius 35. So you can see that I have made these two circles, but you will see that there is no, this part of the circle is not required. So I can trim. So if you remember the command TR, enter, you have to select the line from where you want to trim it, from this line, enter, and what you want to trim it. I do not want this line. So this drawing is ready, but still I have to make this rectangle. So this rectangle, from the base it is 15. So I will give offset of 15 from the base, and from the side it is 10. Now this side it is not given, so it is assumed that 10 from this side and 10 from this side. So I will give offset of this 10, offset of 10 from this point to this point, and also offset of 10 from this point to this point. So you have reached to these 2 points, which is these 2 points, and now from this point to this point it is 15. So I will give offset of 15 from this point to this point. So this is my required rectangle, and rest of the line is not required. So you can say TR, since it is a first cutting point. So in this case I can say TR, enter, and one more enter. So it is going to cut all the first intersections line. So my drawing is ready, I just have to give the dimensions. So now I will go to the dimension and I will start giving the dimension. So all these things, vertical and horizontal dimension, they come into the category of linear. So I will just go to annotation, and this is my dimensions. I will open the linear, selection 1, selection 2, which is 60, enter to repeat the command, selection 1, selection 2, 70. Now let us dimension this part. Selection 1, selection 2, 15, selection 1, selection 2, this is 10, again selection 1, selection 2, 15, and selection 1, selection 2, 15, and these are coming in the category of radius. So, I will go and take the radius now, selection 1 and selection 2. So, this is how you have completed the drawing. Now, since you have made this drawing in layers, so you can always switch on and switch off the layer whenever it is required. For example, I do not want to, in my printout, I do not want the dimensions. So, you can go and switch off the layer from here, current layer will be turned off. So, you can see the dimension will not be seen. So, I will switch on the dimension now. So, this is all about the simple practical one. I hope you have understood the practical. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for watching. Hello dear friends, thank you for watching my practicals. I hope you have enjoyed the practical. If you have liked my practical, kindly subscribe. In YouTube search, you can write Engineer Nasir AutoCAD. This is my channel and you can subscribe. There are other lot of softwares also you can learn in this channel, which is related to the mechanical, civil and graphics. So keep in touch and enjoy the practicals.